Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. When you make a promise, keep it. Continue being grateful and the blessing upon you will continue. Before you eat, offer your food to others. The wiser a man is the less talkative will he be. A believer is satisfied with little. The distance between heaven and earth is cry of an oppressed person in dua. I am amazed at the one who loses hope while he has with his salvation in the front of repentance. Try not expose the weakness of the people, and Allah will cancel your own weakness which you do not want anybody to know. The right of freedom of speech consists in speaking the truth. The most blessed NIKAH is the one with the least expenses. The cheater has a sweet tongue and a bitter heart. Love for others what you love for yourself, and hate for others what you hate for yourself. Be patient. The sorrow will be replaced with joy, and the difficulty will be replaced with ease. Do good, and good will come your way. Be respectful to women, for they are the mothers of mankind. I wonder about the man who loses hope despite the possibility of the seeking forgiveness. Listen, and you will teach yourself. Two things whose value is not understood, except by one who has lost them, or youth and health. The world cannot defeat you until you accept the defeat. A wise man first thinks and then speaks, but a fool speaks first and then thinks. How foolish is man! He ruins the present by worrying about the future, weeps in the future by recalling the past. If you get angry, stay silent. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Keep praying for what you seek. Impossibility and possibility are merely concepts of your mind. To God, nothing is impossible. Oftentimes, it is anger that reveals the true feelings of people. There is no victory for the one who has no patience. Remedy your anger with silence. Let me alone and go in search of someone else. This life is only a test.